Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Liudui refers to the southern part of Taiwan, where there are roughly a dozen Hakka villages. Each year, different towns will hold the Liudui Sports Day. It originated when the different Hakka villages used to fight, but now, sometimes called the Little Olympics under Dawu Mountain, is a friendly competition between the Pingdong Liudui Hakka villagers. Some highlights from the sports day are decorative floats and the sacred torch relay. There's also the Hakka Performing Arts Festival, which celebrates the local culture of Liudui.
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this is the month of March. Maybe there are new events that are happening or traditional events that are happening around the island that has to do with the Hakka culture. Leo, 今年3月份了，是不是可以介绍一下这个月或许有哪些比较知名的活动，或者是新的活动要举办的？
有啊，我现在就带大家到南部地区。
OK，
我们去参加六堆嘉年华。
六堆嘉年华哦，真的吗？是这个月啊？
对啊。
Nice, I know where 六堆 is. 六堆就是高雄、屏东这一带的嘛，对不对？Okay, there's a whole area, general area called 六堆, which kind of means 6 pockets or 6 piles, but it's actually 6 different places added together, and it's called that. 我记得六堆有前堆啊、后堆啊、中堆啊，
左
堆啊、右堆啊，对不对？很容易。
还有一个先锋队啊，
对，还有一个先锋队。
对
yeah, those are the 6 different areas of this, and they're having a carnival.
里面最重要的就是六堆运通飞。
运动飞，这是运动会的意思，对不对？
对。
So in the south, the temperature is a lot warmer. So along with the carnival, there's a very important event, and it's a sporting day. It's a sporting event, okay? 也就是六堆运动会。
六堆运通飞。
六堆运动飞，六堆 is the area, and 运动 that's sports, and 飞 that means a gathering. So 运动飞 that's a sports competition.
其实六堆运动会他们就是包括在高雄和屏东地区，总共有12个客家的乡镇，那会联合举行的。所以每到了这几天那边都会非常非常的热闹。
闹捏 Okay, that means it's going to be very hustling and bustling. It's going to be very crowded. 热闹
对。
可是这也是让大家可以团结的一个时候啊，对不对？
对，而且是表现勇气、勇气的时间。
Oh, that's right. To show your courage, to have teamwork, and to just have fun together. Again, it's the 六堆运动会。
六堆运动会。
Go check it out for yourself and have a lot of fun this month, all right? That does today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只是张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.